Alright you guys, so we're going straight into this video. What I'm doing right now is I'm going to go ahead and tint her lace. And this hair is provided by ISEE Hair. I have their Brazilian water wave in 24 inches. So I went ahead and cut some slits in the hair, and I'm going to go ahead and cut her ear tabs. And early on I also put some gossipy freeze spray over the hairline, just so that the oils from the makeup won't seep through and mess up the install. So as you guys can see, we're cutting out those ear tabs. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my 91% alcohol, and I'm going to rub down her hairline. You want to make sure that all the dirt and oils on her forehead are long and gone. Now I'll be using my bow-toed active glue, and we're going to go ahead and use 3 layers. So what I'm doing is just creating some little dots around her hairline, and then we are going to use a popsicle stick to smooth down this hair. And you guys, I really messed up. Like, I feel like I messed up OD with this install, but God was on my side and he helped me, you know, just make this look good. Y'all gonna see. Y'all are going to see. So right now, what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna go ahead and pull down her hair starting from the middle, and we're just gonna place that on the glue. You want to make sure that you want to place it lightly before you start smudging it in. Now what I'm using is my blow dryer and my rat tail comb to go ahead and press down that glue. And then I'll be using my gossipy freeze spray for further melt. And I'll be using my elastic band to go ahead and tie her down, and I put her underneath the dryer for about 25 minutes on high. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Now you guys, this is where I messed up at. So this side, you guys, this side. So I knew I didn't put enough glue, but I'm thinking like, you know what, I could just pluck her hairline. I'm too lazy to go back in and put some glue in. You guys, when I tell you guys can see it, like she has a Elvis Presley hairline right now. And I tried to pluck it and it was not working out for me, you guys. So I try to improvise. I'm over here and putting some gossipy freeze spray on it just so the lace can melt even more. And at first I wanted to go for the middle part, but I'm like, you know what, we're gonna have to go for a side part right now. So we went with a side part. Now I went ahead and parted out her baby hairs. I just wanted some simple baby hairs. I didn't want too much baby hairs going on. And I'm using my hot comb just to press them down so they're nice and laid for us to go ahead and cut and style. So I'm using my razor comb or my razor blade to cut the baby hairs. You want to make sure that they're not too long but not too short either. So about 1 inch is good. As you guys can see, her part is looking botched right now too. So everything was just going wrong for me, but God prevailed per usual. And yeah, so right now I'm using my Nairobi setting lotion, and I'm gonna put that on the baby hairs, and we're gonna use our rat tail comb just to form those baby hairs. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put that on her hairline as well. And we're going to tie her down with a satin scarf. And we're going to put her underneath the dryer for about 20 to 25 minutes on medium heat. And we're going to go ahead and take it off. Alright you guys, now that the satin scarf is off, what I'm doing right now is just combing out her baby hairs, because y'all already know, my Africana OGs, I do not like those little stuck down baby hairs. That's not it. That's not the wave. You feel me? What's up? But right now, what I'm doing right now is after I finish combing out those baby hairs, I'm using water and also my Nairobi setting lotion to define her curls. And I actually find this method a little bit better than the conditioner, because it doesn't weigh down the hair, and it also just gives it a nice sleek and, you know, frizz-free look. So I'm feeling that, you know. And I'm using my fake little bit Denman brush that I got from the beauty supply store to define her curls. As you guys can see, it's coming together. It's looking good. You know, a girl was a little scared. You feel me? Like, I was like, what we doing here? I was so scared. I was even scared to even post this up, but it came out bomb at the end. Stay tuned for the end because that part will definitely be fixed too, because that part is not looking it, y'all. So just keep on defining it until you get your desired look. And yeah. Now what I'm doing is I'm using my what did I use? I used root spray, and I'm using it in black, and I'm using a spoolie, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on the parts where it's over bleached at, and that will fix the problem that we had originally, you guys. And now to define the part, I'm gonna go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I forgot what color it is. I think it's chestnut. Not too sure. Not too sure, you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use that on her part, and then I'll be using my spritz just to tame her hairline. And this is the finished result, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if y'all want to see more content like this. And I'll catch you guys in the next segment. Deuces.